Make sure to subscribe to my channel, AK7DOLLTV, and make sure to hit that bell button to get notified, and like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's a good girl, 2 girl box, another box, package, whatever I want to call it. And guys, make sure, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and give it a big like in the face, and also hit the notifications on, and you'll never miss a single video. That will always help me. Thank you guys. If you did that, that's so helpful of you. Now let's go box these. Yes. Okay, let's go do it. I'm just too excited. Okay. Okay, somebody. Okay. I don't know. Okay, we'll just cut it. Okay. Wow, this is very satisfying. Okay, let's cut it. Woo! Okay. I might cut it like that. Woo! That was very good. Just keep something there. Okay.
Few moments later.
Okay. This looks like a drone. Are we unboxing a drone? Okay, I think this is. Oh, there's a stand. Okay, there's no color combinations. There's only red, which is like my favorite color. And okay, I'm just too excited. Like, why I'm waiting to unbox this?
Much later.
Okay, at least I don't have to struggle to remove that. Okay, this looks like a Pokemon ball for some reason. Why does this look? With this, like this thing here. Why does this look like a Pokemon ball? I don't know why. It's shaped like one. Why does this look like a drone? Well, like in the middle part, it looks like a Pokemon. Just like like a Pokemon ball, like something I don't know. But it looks real cute. I don't know why I said that. It's a very weird thing. And this is the name of the gadget. It's a portable mini tripod. That is a very unique tripod. Yeah. It for some reason it looks like a drone. Wow. This looks really cute for some reason. And guys, I have something to say. This is really useful, and the color combination is really nice. Red is obviously my favorite color. I heard actually something. Oh, wow. I think this is a thing to actually like screw it up or something like that to see. Yeah, like for your phone, Or a camera, like literally anything. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, okay. I just had to twist it. I think I need to twist this right. Okay, let's do it. Not too tight. Ooh. And what is this metal thing? I was wondering. Oh, this makes it loose. Oh, it's 360 degrees. That moves all around. Wow. And let's screw this back up. This is really cool, guys, and I have something to say. This is real compact, and this is really durable. Like this, like it doesn't even break at all. So you don't need to like buy like a lot of them often. Like you don't need to buy all of them like often. Like this is really durable. Like this will last literally forever. That there's actually some rubber texture, and it is actually called anti-skid, so that it doesn't move like this and like that. It doesn't move like that. Like it won't be very slippery like ice. Yeah. And guys, you're wondering what is this? You just have to press and drag, and this is actually the height measurement, and this is the maximum height, and stand even bigger, like it, just to see properly. Wow. Okay, it makes this clicking noise. Oh my god, this, like if you have a vlogging channel, you could use this instead, like if you're too annoyed, like holding the phone, like, oh man, I now. This has been a 1 hour video, and I don't want to hold like for 1 hour. I'm gonna get this, and this is really useful like for like office calls, online classes, like meeting, literally anything. You could go on a beach, a picnic. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss any videos. And see you all guys next time. Bye.